The government has introduced the use of a SACCO Shared Services Framework that will allow financial institutions to pool resources and adopt fintech solutions to curb financial mismanagement and restore public confidence in the sector. The move is among reforms being implemented through the Sacco Societies Amendment Bill 2023 that is currently before Parliament, expected to address poor governance which has plagued the cooperative movement.
Financial mismanagement of 13.3 billion shillings at the Kenya Union of Savings and Credit Cooperatives (KUSCO) has led to public outrage and calls for stricter accountability measures in the sector. Reforms are to be implemented through the Sacco Societies Amendment Bill 2023. The bill that is currently before Parliament will fast-track the operationalization of the Deposit Guarantee Fund aimed at protecting member deposits and ensuring greater transparency in SACCO operations. The Cabinet in its dispatch says a central liquidity facility has been mooted to facilitate inter-SACCO transactions, short-term lending, and participation in the national payment system. The facility will enable SACCOs to properly handle existing risks as well as their inability to identify emerging risks. The government says the creation of a central repository data platform is underway to promote strong governance structures, improving overall efficiency. These reforms are aimed at creating an enabling environment that fosters growth, sustainability, and resilience within the cooperative sector. Ndotamokami for Prime Edition.